Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Lisa's Coloring Corner. I received some, I was going to say Happy Mail. It's not Happy Mail. I received a package that I ordered, so it's not Happy Mail, that I got today from Amazon. So I thought we would unbox it together. So, let me cooperate. Never have a problem off camera. Of course, I'm typically not sitting doing it either. There we go. And, ooh, it's all wrapped up really nice. And you probably will see, you will know ahead of time from the thumbnail what this is. But I still won't say until I open it. I should have my scissors. That would work better. Okay. Now, can you guess what comes in these little black bags? Markers! Always exciting getting markers. These are, I have the 168 set of the LeMouchet markers, and I just love them. I will link them down below. These are the skin tone set. I didn't know that LeMouchet had a skin tone set out. So what I thought we would do is we would swatch these out, and then I'm kind of curious to see whether all of these are in the 168 set, because I know the Cali Arts have a few additional skin tones in their skin tone pack than what is in the 100 set. So some that are in the skin tone pack that you can buy separately from the 100 set, yeah, they're extra. They are not included in the 100 set. So I'm kind of hoping that the LeMouchet is the same. We can never have too many skin tones, right? So this is kind of a cute little case. It's like a mini one. Has the carrying handle on top. All right. I think we have a few extra things in here. You get a micron pen. This is a 08 tip, which I like. It's not the super fine tip. It's a little bit bigger, but it works great for writing. So we will be writing out the color names with this pen, and we will see. I'm trying to look. This is the pen I typically use for writing here at my desk. I can't see. It doesn't really have a size on it though, but I'm thinking, oh, it's an 04. Okay, it says it on the end. So yeah, this is a much finer one, but I think for on camera you'll be able to see it much easier with the bigger tip. So we are going to use that, and then you also get in here one of these gloves. Now I typically don't use these a lot. I don't know if everybody has seen these. I would think most people have. I have used it in the past when I colored with my glitter gel pens, so that number one, I'm not getting glitter all over the side of my hand. And number two, I was hoping that, let's do it the right way, that I wouldn't smear it as bad. But, oh God, Lisa, you are having problems. But yeah, this is how you wear it. So you still have your first fingers available to hold your coloring material, but yet the side of your hand is protected. Now, I kind of like this one better than the other one I got. The other one I got was much smaller than this, and I have relatively small hands and kind of short fingers, and that other one was quite tight. So this one does fit better. I may try it again coloring with my glitter gel pens. So that's what that is for. Oh, and then they do have a color chart to color in, so I guess I won't have to write anything out. Although, no, I think I'm going to anyhow, because I don't know about you, but to me, the color names mean more to me than the numbers. So, yeah, I think we're going to just swatch them out on, and this is marker paper. And we are going to swatch out, there's 24 in this set. So, yeah, I think we're going to do that. What is this? It says touch new. Oh, I bet it's a white pen. Let's see. Yep, that's what it is. Okay, so we have the Micron black, and then we do have a white. Interesting. So you get a few little extras in this set. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit, and Misty is joining us. All right, now I am, of course, not going to swatch this out. You do get a colorless blender with this set, and like the large set, there is a fine, and they say to twist these to get them off, because whoops, these are on, the caps are on very, very tight. If you have a problem with your hands, this may not be the set for you. And also, when you put them back on, you really want to hear that snap and make sure that it's on. And then, of course, the chisel tip. All right, so let's just, kind of start from the pack. Let's jot down what I do with that Micron. Here we go. Okay, so this is 109 Pearl White. So, Pearl, yeah, this is a nice thicker one. Pearl White. And this looks very, very light. Let's go with the chisel end. So it's like a real pale yellow. That may come in handy. Let me see if Pearl White is in the 168 set. Oh, and it is. Okay. All right. So that one is in the 168 set. Let's take this one, and I'm pretty sure this one is in the other set. Raw silk, yes. But we'll swatch them all out anyhow. Raw silk. These markers are so nice and juicy, and that is why I love my 168 set. See, so that is a really, really nice skin tone. Maybe I'll zoom you in a little bit more so you can really see the colors. And they are really nice and pale, which is nice. Let's try this one. This is Pale Cream. Let's see if it is on here. Yes, it is. Okay. Which, even if all of these are duplicates, with them being skin tones, those are probably going to be some of the colors you run out of first. So the fact that you can order just a separate pack of these skin tones is kind of nice. just like the Kelly Art skin tones. Okay. Another nice skin tone. Okay, then let's just pick one. We have Milky White. I'm sure that was in the other one. I remember that. Yep. Okay, well, let's just keep the cover off, Lisa. Okay, Milky White. All right, chisel tip. And that's more on the pink side. It would be great for lips and if you do blush and stuff like that. Here we have Baby Skin Pink, and again, I know that is in the other set. Baby Skin Pink, and I do use this one quite often. Let me just double check. Yep. Okay. More on the yellowish side again. Okay, cream is a little bit darker. I remember this one too, I believe. Oh yeah. Oh, this is the one that they screwed up on the word. Instead of cream, it's Greem with a G. And that's what it was in the other set too. So we're going to write it down the way they have it. Greem. Isn't that funny? Whoops. That wouldn't work too well. So yeah. I mean, it's a nice color. That would be for a little bit darker skin. So I do like the color. I just think it's kind of funny with the way they wrote it. It could be that it was translated from their language into our language and just got screwed up a little bit. And Barely Beige. That one I recognize too. I often wondered if this is supposed to be Barely Beige or Barley Beige. But okay, that's on the pinker side. And then we have Salmon Pink. I'm pretty sure. Yep, have that too. So it does almost look like these are all going to be duplicates, but that's, like I said, that is okay. Salmon Pink. So far they are all really nice and juicy. And we have Pale Cherry Pink, and that sounds familiar too. Yep. This is a really pretty light pink. Pale Cherry. I like this one for lips and things like that. Isn't that pretty? I like that one. Okay, let's grab Skin White. Okay, Skin White. Yep, that's on there too. I like that one too. Okay, let's get these out of the way so I can keep pushing my paper up. Then we have Powder Pink. Yep, I have that one. Oops. That would work great for lips too. All right, here we have a blush. Another pretty pink. A little more on the orangey side. We have Pastel Peach. Yep, I have that. This is kind of a nice skin tone too. Pastel Peach. That one you probably can barely see on. Oh no, I guess you can see it. It's a little bit on the yellow side, but. And Fruit Pink. And let's see. Oh yeah, it's over there. Fruit Pink. More on the orangey side. And then, speaking of orange, we have light orange. Let's see. Yep. I like this color too. I like them all, don't I? We just all like colors, don't we? Light orange. Boy, some of them are on so tight and other ones aren't. Isn't that a pretty coral color? Well, I guess it's more in the orange than the coral, but kind of corally, especially once it starts drying. Okay, and then we have peach instead of the pastel peach. And I'm assuming I'll have this one too. Peach, peach, peach. Where are you, peach? Oh yeah, there it is. That is definitely peach. Okay, let's get into some of a little bit darker colors. Let's go back up to the top. Okay, we then have terracotta. And they have it as 2 words, so terracotta. That is a pretty color. That'd be a great darker skin tone. Then we have sand. Oh, let me make sure I have these. Okay, terracotta, yes. And sand, yes. So it does look like this whole set is, and I kind of thought it would because of the LeMouchet being such a huge set the way it is, but I guess with the Cali Arts I was kind of surprised. So, and here's potato brown. Well, we all know that that's in the other set. That's in the Cali Arts. That's a very common name for markers. And it is such a pretty color. So again, I am glad I now have a duplicate. Not a pretty color, you know, yellow kind of brown. All right, and we have rose beige. And yep, have that one. All right, 3 more to go. We have brick brown. Yep, have that. That's a nice mid-tone brown. All right, and then we have burnt sienna. I know it's got to be here. Yep, this is a nice chocolate brown. So I am actually going to leave this set in this little black bag. I normally don't, but I don't have room in the bag, the 168 set. I do have a big marker case that holds all 168, and I love that marker case. But of course, these 24 won't fit in it. So yeah, that's a nice chocolate brown. And then finally, we have chestnut brown, which is a very, very dark brown. It's the darkest one I have in my other set. So they included really good colors in this skin tone set. You know, so you can see all of these browns can really be used for darker skin tones. Okay, that is the 24 set of the LeMouchet skin tone set. So, what do you think? I love the colors out of the 168 that they picked for this skin tone set. Really nice. They do have quite a few of the pinks in here where maybe they could have had just a few more of the other skin tones here. You know, they included a lot of these pinks, but overall it's a good selection of skin tones. We have the lighter skin tones, and then we have a lot of the darker skin tones. So this green could go over here. Okay, yeah, not too bad. So I have heard that a lot of people like swatching videos, so I just thought I would swatch these out on camera. I now know that all these colors are included in the 168 set, but again, that is okay. That is all right. Okay, so yeah, I hope everybody's having a great week. I hope the rest of your week goes great. And as always, happy coloring. Bye, guys.